Right, welcome back. This is the continuation of break-even analysis. Okay, that is a CPV analysis. So in this video we are looking at break-even analysis. So the CPV analysis can also be used to calculate the break-even points for sales. The break-even points. All right, this is points. Break-even point, we call it the BEP for sales. Okay, now let's look at what is break-even point. It is the volume of sales, the volume, all right, the volume of sales required, volume of sales required, take note, in a period, that is such usually a financial year, in a period, the volume of sales in a period to break even, that is a point where neither loss or profit is made. It's a point. So break even is a point where neither loss or profit, take note of that, a point at which we make neither loss or nor profit. All right, that point, our total revenue will be equal to total cost. So at this point is called break even. All right, it's called break even. So if the management decide to ascertain the volume of sales that will require no loss or profit, so that point, that volume of sales is called the break even point. All right, the break even point. Now, how do we calculate the break even point? There are two methods when we look at the calculation of break-even points. Okay, like I said, there are two methods. Number one, we have the formulae method, and the graphical method. So we are going to consider the two methods, the graphical method and the formulae method. Okay, now for the formulae method, note that total revenue is equals to total costs, okay, plus profits or loss, in brackets. Total revenue equals to total profit, that is the total cost plus profit. Okay, total cost plus profit. Now we can stress this further and say total revenue equals to fixed costs plus total variable costs, I will use V, plus profits or loss. Okay, we can also say that this total revenue is the function of sales price per unit and the quantity sold. That is the total revenue, which is equals to fixed cost, and our total variable cost is, you can represent that to be variable cost per unit, which is B dot Q. Okay, then plus the profit or loss. All right, the profit or loss. Now at break even point, we know that the profit will become zero. Okay, profit will be equals to zero, no loss, no profit. Okay, we have selling price per unit dot Q equals to fixed cost plus BQ. Okay, now when you collect like terms, So what do you have? X cube minus b dot q equals to f. Okay, when you take the factors, which is q, what is common, then we have s minus b equals to fixed cost. Okay, now selling price per unit minus variable cost per unit will give you contribution, which is c, equals to fixed cost. So I want to make q the subject of the formula. I will divide both sides by c, then I will cancel this. Then this is q equals to f fixed costs. So I will write fixed costs all over contribution per unit. Okay, then this is the break even point in units, the break even point in units. All right, so that's how the formula is being derived, to calculate the break even point in units. Okay, the break even point in units. So if you like this video, please do share with your friends. I remain Shesi George, your professional lecturer. So watch out for the part 3 of this video. Thank you. Bye.